Igama lami nguNompumelelo Ndaba. I'm 31 years old. Ngihlala enumber 4 Zuma section. Balele ilikunutu because ngifuna ilikunutu ingenzele i-DNA test ngubaba umntwana. Because the DNA test yenziwe e-court, I'm not satisfied ngayo. Bengicashe emcashweni ngihlala esiluma ngalethi umntana la kumama, umntana wahlala nomama la. I-maintenance yawela kumama. Abhisa amsupporta umntana kumama. So nomama azwisisani kahle. Ngakubele e-court, ngayotshintsha i-maintenance, yabuyela i-maintenance aba under mina. Beyiba under mina, sibasinika i-data maintenance, yabuyela i-maintenance, sibuyele i-maintenance, wathi ufuna i-DNA test. Ngathi mina no problem but ufuna i-DNA test, singayenza i-DNA test. Bese buyela bengifika e-court, ngiyabona ku-maintenance ukuthulekile akusetshenzwa. Beka sibiza lo bhuti bengithi ku-maintenance yi-2 yimi noBrian kuphela. Singene phakathi, sibheka ama-DNA. Besibheka ama-DNA athi umntana akusuka Brian. Besiya ngalo ku-magistrate, u-magistrate athi ngisafuna another second option na i-DNA. Ngithi mina yes, ngisafuna kwenziwe enye i-DNA. Athi okay, bamtshele ke ubaba umntana ukuthi kumele abe present. Whenever ngimfonela ngithi siyenza i-DNA, kumele abe khona. So that's why ngifuna ilikunutu ingenzele another DNA because siya e-court ku final nge-9 October.
Dumelang sanibonani ayeba kayino namhlanje umsebenzi wethu la kulikunutu usithathe wasibeka eKatlehong la izosiza khona ke usisi Nompumelelo okuyena osibhalele igama nguNtombi uMangcobo kwamzola udlanga amandla kaSumshisa umbungelo umnisi wemvula Kirilena kilikunutu uhlali emelana. Let's go.
Hello.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila sithando sami. Nompumelelo ngithi?
Yes.
Okay, uNompumelelo wakabani?
Wakandaba.
Wakandaba. Uze neindaba.
Yeah, ngize neindaba.
Nompumelelo wakandaba.
Yes.
Okay, so sithando sami ungibhalele khona into ofuna udinga usizo ngayo, right? So ngicela ungitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani and then udinga ukuthi sikusize ngayo.
Ngibhalele ilikunutu because ngifuna ilikunutu ingisize. Ngifuna ingenzele i-DNA test.
Okay, so kahle kahle ufuna i-DNA test wena.
Yes.
Uzuyithola ufuna i-DNA test. Kwenzakaleni?
uBrian ngahlangana naye ngirentile eHlongwane sajola. Ekujoleni kwethu ngaba pregnant. Ngakatholi ukuthi ngipregnant wabuyelana nomfazi bebacabene nomfazi.
Oh so bekanomfazi?
Yes.
Baqabana nomfazi abadivosana.
Yes.
Okay,
mama girlfriend ngithi umfazi, it's a girlfriend.
So why both umfazi?
Angithi uhlala naye.
Oh but abashada.
Yes, abashadanga.
Okay.
Kanti ngathola ukuthi nami ngizositholela umuntu waseWitbank. Ngisitshole nalo muntu loyo. Found out ukuthi pregnant. Found out ukuthi pregnant. Bengibheka inyanga hayi lo seWitbank akusibaba umntana uBrian. Lo yena uBrian uyizwa ngumngane amtshela ukuthi umpumi uPrank.
Okay, so where is the problem? What is the likunutu? How do I come in? How do you want me to help?
The problem enginayo manje ukuthi vele ngambophisa i-maintenance. I'm support umntana nge-maintenance every month. Ngayenza ukuthi ngithathe umntwana mina sengisemcashweni ngimlethela kumama. Like hi. Umamami amfonele bathathane boyi2 bambe bayiphamreach bashintshe maintenance ingabi nenkingi ukuthi maintenance ichubeke ingene kubani kugogo. So kimi nogogo nongasizwisisani kahle. Okay bekayithola imali umntana bangamenzeni kusumntwana. It's when nami ngibela e-court ngitshintsha i-file ukuthi buyele back kimi. Ukuthi yafaka ukuthi umntana bayamnika imali kamenze umntana safuna ukuthenzelwa yini. Bese e-court athi deminder i-DNA.
Umntana sekana ngabe
5 years.
5 years. Okay.
Athi ufuna i-DNA ngithi no problem. Siyenza i-DNA, esenza i-DNA, but sibuye nge-28 April for ama results. Besiya e-court on that day, ubhuti lo se-court asibize. Beyasibiza athi i-doctor ithi izoba late, ibanjwa i-traffic isendleleni. Basinika another date. I-date bekuyingayikina but it was Friday. Bese kuyala e-court ukuthulile kube internet akusetshenzwa yimi noBrian. Ngingene phakathi ngibuzo lo bhuti ngithi kanti uyoqala nini ukusebenza athumele umagistrate hayi asibize maybe after 30 minutes bese ngena akhiphe ama-results athi baba umntana akusuka Brian bese umagistrate angibuze nalo bhuti angibuze ukuthi ngisafuna another DNA ngithi ngiyayifuna enye DNA eyesithupha ngiyayifuna enye DNA eyesithupha athi okay kufanele uyenze make sure ukuthi kushaya i-9 October so uyenze umagistrate amtshela uBrian asifanele kube present ke bakufuna umama umntana bekathi uyafuneka mina nenza ama-DNA and i-DNA yabuya yathi umntwana owakho uzoyibhadala yonke imali umntana kuhleli ungamsupport.
So why when you doubted the first results if bona abantu abawu around the same time? Obviously now into uyibhesa on ukuthi ubalama months.
As into engusingidoubt ne senze ama-DNA were more than 15 on that day.
Okay.
Siza ama-results na. Okay, besingena ngalo langa losibuyela sipha ama-dates because bokugcwele e-court sithatha i-dates aphuma sahamba bese sibuyela solanda ama-results manje final lawo why besiyithu noBrian into leyo engizosho ukuthi besiyithu laba abanye bawatholile nama-results
kanti phela mhlambe kuyenzeka ukuthi ama-dates angithi awafani
noma ngabe awafani bekumele at least noma siba yi-4-5 nyana enye into leyo like uBrian nalo bhuti esakho ba-close
yena lo benibuyele kuyo
yes lo ama-DNA ba-close ngayo into engisolisa ukuthi khona into abayenzile ukuthi noma ngisengiphuma ngizambela ukhona amaloya nje amile lapha bangibona nje ukuthi angikho right bangibize sisiyini ngibabekela istory bathi akusho la wakuthi la ekhaya even i-DNA test ama-results ayathenga ukukhuluma imali lapha ngithi so sure bathi into zongithatha
amaloya asho kanjani ukuthi
yiwangithatha
imali
bangitshela bathi lapha kukhuluma imali phambi kwe-court.
And then multi back close ushukuthina they friends, have you seen them together outside of lapha ecourt? What do you mean?
Abantu uyababona man ukuthi labantu bane connection ukuthi uBrian uyilawyer ngathi bayazana nalo bhuti vele osebenza lapha ecourt.
So ubhuti kaBrian uyilawyer?
Yes.
Usebenza lapha na?
Angazi usebenzela la ephambili ukuthi usebenza la kuphi maka bayazana nje because na the first time isiya kokuqala saphira i-case yokuqala sasizwa uye lo bhuti lo.
Okay. All right. So ufuna senze njani ke my baby? I'm here mina. Ngizolandele yakho i-instruction, ngizozama ukukusiza ngendlela odinga ukusizwa ngayo.
Indikunutu. Ufuna ingisize ingenzele another DNA test.
Okay.
Engizohamba nayo ngiphethe mina yenza ka-October.
Sisters will do what you ask of us. So asingasa waste isikhathi, ngizocela ukuthi ungene in the other car. Siyofuna uBrian simuze ukuthi yena uthini.
Okay.
Angithi. Okay my baby. Thank you. Abuti Brian.
Hello.
Unjani?
Baphila kunjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila, uyakhuluma, uyabulabula, uyaamba.
Ngiyabuka.
Wabuwa buti. Okay, libitso la ka ke Ntombi Mngcobo Mzolo from Likunutu. Ke na le mlaetsa for wena my brother ba re rometse message gore ke se kwa wena and that's why we are here. So ke batla re waste nako, akere. Ke batla o se ba fela gore o ready gore nka o dlalela message ena and then re gone o tswela pele. Already. And I ke bona gore ke Likunutu ntwena.
Okay, cha.
Wa icava so Likunutu le o tla le emela. Utale emela. Okay, abuti Brian kupa ulibele.
Brian, umpumi lokhulumayo ezungazi umama umntanakho. Ngibhalele iLikunutu reason being ngifuna iLikunutu isenzele another DNA because le esekhoti angikho satisfied ngayo. Nale connection wena unayo nalo bhuti wasekhoti ayingijabulisi. Nokuthi uhamba uyakhuluma ebantwini ubabonisa ama-results wena evo babonisa wona uthi wena umntana awumphiki owakho yi-DNA ethi umntana akuso wakho. So ngifuna iLikunutu isenzise enye i-DNA test khona ngizoba right nami ngibe satisfied.
Abuti Brian. Wa motsiba osi. Ke mang osi to you?
Ke motholong.
Ska tsaba o bua, buela ko.
Motholong was one night stand.
Nearly one night stand. Mara wa motsiba. And then wa tseba gore na le ngwana according to the message I rometseng gore ngwana ke ngwana hao.
I'm a supporter for almost 5 years.
And what changed?
No really nginyani. Aya court angobatla 1.5. Raya court ya setlila ya jutsa court ngobatla ngwana wele ka o. If o batla ngwana wele ka wena etsa DNA. Ra etsa DNA. Bona. Court nje etsa ska patala maintenance for now.
Until
patala cheta DNA 2.250. Bese litling ka date sold to etsa DNA until tola the results, then we'll take it from there.
Okay.
Molata the results di ngwana swaka.
Sure.
And I was not expecting that, I understand. Because I have many years supporting
one. So how tola go court gore ngwana swa how, then what's the process going forward, or what did they say, or when how Mpumi, what happened?
Mpumi vele ya jutsa court nga e khona le yena o tlo etsa tsa di DNA.
Okay.
Tlo etsa tsa DNA a di tshepi tsa court.
So since u stopile ka nako e go supporta ngwana?
Since we stopile, I think it was February.
Okay, ke batla gore Mpumi le yena a tle a ipoele wa bona. And then re tlo gona gore re tswele pele le dumelane gore re tsa jwang. Akere. So that re gona gore re fitle at a conclusion ya gore taba e fele once and for all. Go ska ba le ditaba le dipuo hape tsa gore no this that wa bona. Mpumi. Kopa o chiftele ka mohanyane ya bothi. Uyo put Brian lona ngithi. Okay, ngimdlalela imessage yakho put Brian and uyasho ukuthi vele na from the onset bekangana inkinga ibe khona ngoba wena ufuna ukuthi kunyuswe imali yomntwana ngithi from 1,000 to 1.5. And then kwaba icourt ethi kumele kwenziwe ama DNA njengoba ama DNA abuye athi akasuba bomntwana. So ngicela ukhulume wena esayidini like ukuthi kwenzakalani ufuna kwenzakaleni.
Benginyusile
khuluma nayo
yes imali mntana benginyusile but ungathi court ethi yenza iDNA you are the one uthi ufuna iDNA yayenziwa iDNA wabuya ama results ake angakhona so asho nawo uzwele court ngabathi ngathi court ngizoyenza esokhona iDNA so ke ngizene likunutu izoyenza iDNA kuwe
so ba nothi ufuna iDNA icourt or webudwa
mina ecourt ngithi ngifune iDNA because ngifuna ukuthi umntwana awele ngakimi.
Okay.
Bathe uma ufuna ukuthi umntwana awele ngakuwe kumele wenze iDNA ngathi ayizi.
And then indaba yalo munye ubhuti uyayazi lo bhuti abathi wase Witbank.
Abaningi akana bhuto na before mina khona omunye bese mina mungimuntu ethembi that's why ngithi ngingajoli.
Bona boyi temporary. So bekuyithempi or bekuyi one night stand or bentshontshana kanini
achaya wabuya salethe umntwana ne3 months.
So wena mawazi ukuthi khona omunye before wena when uyithempi kukhona omunye after wena khona omunye during wena
but
uvuma kanjani ukuthi umntwana wakho umsupport for 5 years?
Yazi mina mangibona umntwana mangibona cishe afana ngithi sasemncane.
Okay.
Cishe afana nabantwana bami nje. Bayibona into enjalo. So mukunomsindo uyazi uze nabo sisibakhe ngihlala nomfazi so kwaqala umsindo masisakhuluma agcina ngiyenzani ngithatha umvumo umntwana we'll take it from there ngisupport umntwana ngimbone ukuthi wenzakalani umntwana azange benenkingi ngasupport kumama unfortunately ngaphelela umsebenzi that's why nami sengithola umsebenzi now this January nginika umama wakhe neFebruary nginika umama wakhe imali njengoba gijima ecourt
awusagcina ngajana kumsupport so nginena ngoFebruary
ngicela uthule impumi ngisakhuluma
kanti
hayi umuntu makhuluma
hayi ngibengibuza ukuthi awusagcina ngajana record seJanuary kuli kunutu February
khuluma mina
ayiboni
uyayibona into enyane ezinjalo si njengoba manje agijima ecourt futhi athi imali seyifuna ngakuye akasayifuni kuyi1000 seyifuna kuyi.5 ukhathele mina tshela icourt umunye ubhuti prostitute labantu kanti mina ngilele nomama wakhe na understand lo sisi lo ubolile ungambona so
ngifana nawe
acela senzeni lamadeni
uyedala ngadila ngawe
yazi
all right yeah I think this is Mpumi into sifuna ama DNA
yes
because when you suspecting ukuthi lawa are fraudulent because uthi babangani labantu base court right so mina like nanginamngani can we confirm so that kusasa ama results mawabuya ningangikhombi nami nithi umngani kabani sisa ngumngani wakho mina
awusumngani wakho
uyangazi
angikwazi
uqala ukungibona ngithi danki kodwa uyangazi
ngazi umuntu la
So asazani. Meaning ama-results azobuya will take it as it is. Ukuthi mayithi umntwana wakho bhuti, you must know ukuthi umntwana wakho. If it umntwana akaso wakabhuti nobabili sis, you must know ukuthi umntwana akuso wakabhuti, which will then also confirm ukuthi lama results okuqala azange enzwe. Uyazi ukuthi masingakafika ekugcineni kusho ukuthi umsebenzi wethu asikawenzi. So namhlanje sibuyileke nama results ukuze iqiniso liphumele obala, because mase iqiniso liphumele obala kusho ukuthi sikwenzayo sekuphelele. Igama nguNtombo Mangcobo kwaMzolo. So ngibuyileke namhlanje ngiphethe ama results kaBut Brian. uBut Brian ukhona la eduze. So Buti ngizocela ukuthi usondele, ngicele noSisini sondele nobabili. So ngaphambi ukuthi ngiqhubeke Buti ninjani? All right. Engathi une stress namhlanje. Uqeda ukuvuka. Otherwise right.
Yeah.
So ama results now. What are you expecting to come out of these results, Sisimpulo? Because kahle kahle umnikazi wendaba uwe, kahle kahle umuntu futhi okumele aziqiniso uwe. Lokho nje sekwama formalities. Sesiya checka ngoba inkulumo ngithi seziningi abantu bafuna iclarity.
Hayi. Mina sengimele noma yini. Bengathola nje iclosure nje bengifunela usithuma.
Nawo uqala the negative.
Uqala the negative.
Okay, and bowusola ukuthi uButi unesandla semfene lapha phakathi. Okay, when the result said negative.
Amazi baba umntwana ule Thokoza.
Sasathokoza manje ngaseke Witbank.
Khona umunye Thokoza.
Sokhona inhlanhla Thokoza manje.
Indaba zilokuza futhi umazi kahle.
Mina
so makaye uthi manje
Spanish advantage ukuthi lo asebenza lo akasebenzi.
Uba nenhlanhla usengaza ngijona inhlanhla ukuthi abukhulume ebantwini and ngizokubophisela lokho. I-maintenance angisayifuni. Wena uzohamba uyongibhanda intela for lokho. Uyothi goodbye hen again. For ukuthi nje uhamba ngikhulume ebantwini. Ngikhathele benjump isiporo yiloko. Angihambi ngikhuluma nawe mina.
Ekanhlanhla uyithatha But Brian.
Ukuthi uhamba ngikhulume ebantwini. Unhlanhla ubani? Ngikaze ngizwane nonhlanhla mina empilweni yami. Ngizokukhombisa. Abaphuma positive asafuni imali yakho. Zonyele Sunset wa le Bosbeck.
So ni ready ukuthi ngawavula ama results.
Ready sister.
And ngifuna nje ukuphinde ngikhulume phezulu kwendaba yokuthi abantu obonesa benza ama results abasebenzeli thina then independent entity. So nabo benza umsebenzi wabo. But there was nothing. And again, anginazi nobabili ngiyaqala ukunibona. So I need you ukuthi before ngivula la. Out of this is iqiniso njengoba linjalo. Siyavumelana. So kungabi nento ukuthi mhlambe khona mhlambe obhadela omunye or khona oyenzeni or omunye umngani kaNtombo or mhlambe uanti kaNtombi no anginazi. Anazi umuntu futhi ongaziyo, right? So I'm going to open the results and then it's in a ready for our results.
Yes.
All right, ngicela ukufunda ke. The alleged father is Brian Maile. That is you, Budwamani, that's correct. And umntwana usebenzisa isibongo sakho sisi. uMakhanya. So based on ama tests ayenziwe on the samples awakho bhuti nawo umntwana, ama results reads as follows. The alleged father is excluded as the biological father of the tested child. This conclusion is based on the non-matching alleles observed at the STR lossy listed above. And in terms of ama percentage, a paternity, it can be anything from 0 or phezulu. And makuqhathaniswa wena baba Brian nomntwana esingithestile. Ama percentage athi the probability yokuthi wena ubaba wengane is 0%.
Okay.
Akayofuna baba umntwana.
At 0%.
Alright.
So meaning Siswami, if you are saying when you are already pregnant now you're with bank and Brian akusuba bomntwana, then there must be someone else. Is there a possibility? So should tell you to maybe now you're with bank, you're not pregnant.
Bank already.
So these are the second tests, Siswami. Laba bayenzena lawo kuqala sibazi.
Alright.
And they ayaphinda futhi the same thing ukuthi Brian akusuba bomntwana.
Alright. No problem.
So do you have anything to say about Brian to say?
Akayofuna baba umntwana.
Angakhuluma naye.
Hayi sekho into esazixoxa. Akayofuna baba umntwana. Ayisolve naye. Ngoba sengimkhulisele thina 5 years yonke ngimkhulisele. Yabona into enjani.
And how do you feel? Because I'm sure ubondile nomntwana.
Kakhulu. Bani yazi neze baba vele. Njengoba ngasho ekuqaleni ukuthi musenza ama DNA but not about ukuthi uphike umntwana. Ufuna ukuthi umntwana wele ngakimi khona kumbhalisa entweni zami. To find out ukuthi idlozi lami langidele. Yabona. Imali yami ayidlile, it's fine. Baba ngoba angeke angibhadala ngibhadala ngani. Ayibona into enjani. Unginika ngani imali yami ungayicalculate ama 1000 wami 5 years long. Ayibona into enjani. So sharp us exposile yena. Ayibona into enjani. It's fine. Akayikhulume ke lento
Angisexposa.
Ngithi uthi ngithenga abo doctor ecourt. Akayikhulume ke manje njengoba kunje.
Ngifuna iqiniso Brian. Ngifuna iclosure. Ngitholile ngithi so
iqiniso.
Umngane phela lo Peter Sokhotho leni iclose ngakho.
Abangani kanjani? Ngatsho manje umuntu wasecourt ungamazi. Ngoba ecourt musisa ukuthi wena ufuna uqeda imali. Court ngise uwe ngicela uwe ecourt la. Nongisupport umntwana kahle ngumnikeza imali athi ngana abangani bamjuda. Aya le yathi ufuna 2000 ecourt.
So what do you have to say this is in closing?
Ala ngiyabonga ukuthi ngitholile iclosure. Into engiyisho yile.
Ngona find ubaba umntwana.
Awuzokhula ngana baba. Ngiba ngaqali ngaye. Uzokhona uyakhula namanje.
I think umsebenzi wami uphelile ngiyabonga ukuthi ngiyakhuleka.
Alright.
Bafowethu sometimes ucooperate akuzokusiza kwawena because kwesinye isikhathi nithi nibalekela ama responsibility kanti responsibility engekho. Sibone namhlanje uBrian for 5 years wondla ingane ongeyona yakhe but ngenhlanhla yakhe sithe masiqhamuka usisi athi ufuna iqiniso, usisi amise court athi ufuna isondlo. Wamamela wazavela. Today he's free ngoba ingane akuyona yakhe. So into engizokutshela yona ukuthi sometimes don't run away from responsibility because there is the one thing ezokusave. Iqiniso uyakulazi kanti futhi iqiniso ilona elizokukhulula. Igama nguNtombi uMangcoba kwaMzolo. Lena ke lekonude wena ke urata ka lerato la love the strong